want to throw it down?
Sure. Steve and Jake here with Get Torqued. Today we're doing the oil pressure gauge, oil pressure sensor, boost gauge. We ran the lines last time. Today we're doing the actual gauge. A little bit of electrical work. That's what we're digging into today then. Unlock. Nice. What are you into? Oh, I just burped right on the camera.
Figure out where to put these. Besides the ground.
Right on the steering column. One on the shift knob, one on the steering column. Oh, you mean the wires. Perfect. I mean, we can put them up in the center. Just... Can we zip tie that there?
That's what I was thinking. It's like perfect. It like fits in the cradle like perfectly.
Just a lot of duct tape.
Or something. I don't know how you make it stay there.
Zip tying it in there, huh? Got to get right up in there. Does the other one have like a mounting bracket?
Inside of it, no. It's too far out. No, way down below. Probably doesn't go all the way through. Comes out somewhere though, so sort of a bonus. It's just upside down.
We don't need any of the gauge cluster shit. Should I throw it out?
Well, I mean, I don't think it's ever gonna work again. We maybe keep that. We could put that back in. In case we need to mount something to it. We could always mount gauges to that too, if need be.
So should we save this to take apart then? And then we could put shit in there or something?
No, I don't think we need that.
How's it going?
Good.
Oh, that looks sweet.
All done over there?
Everything's pretty tight in the engine bay.
Good. Hold that.
Word. A little shaky. Hold on.
This takes forever. This I gotta figure out. We gotta find a ground. Gotta run a ground for that.
Self-tapper.
Yeah, I don't have any of that. Unless you have it.
Yeah, there's screws here.
Okay. Self-tap it. Do you think any of this shit's ground?
Probably it's welded to the chassis, it looks like.
Just fucking put it like right there.
There's two bolts right there. We could
No, I don't have an eyelet big enough for this.
You
This
saw-
multi-pack's only got little ones. So a little self-tapper, yeah, we got that.
There's a little hose clamp in here too for when we run that boost line. Little spring clamp action.
So this one's power. Probably gonna need you to hold the wire again.
Alright. I was just gonna thank my Amazon driver real quick. Word. Ready?
No.
Oh.
Trying to figure out which one of these. I know the red will work, but one of these. Is it the orange or is it the yellow? I only need one of them. I can't hook up both of them, otherwise it dims it.
Fucking nicking the upholstery, man. So what? You need a battery?
I think we need to hook up the ground.
Or you want me to grab the screw gun? batteries are probably pretty kicked. I didn't charge them after all that cutting.
No.
But we just gotta put 1 or 2 grounds in.
Just one.
You can fit there.
What?
Need like more hands too.
This is not. Whoops.
You find a bit for 'em?
Yeah.
Start, it's like a start it.
Yeah.